Oh. Everyone run! Run! Okay, all right. Okay, you need to calm down. Just relax. Okay. Okay. You're scared. Now listen, I'm gonna need you to stay in here. Okay, somebody's gonna come get you out, but until then, I need you to eat and drink very slowly, okay?
Don't be scared. It's safe in there.
Okay, come here. It could be tough out there, but as long as we leave it a little bit better than we found it, we did okay.